Hey, what's up, guys? We're back with another quick tutorial, and then we're going to talk about our final projects with the directory structure that you guys just downloaded. I'm just going to go over piece by piece on how we're going to use these files. I have my Chrome open on the left side of the screen, and I have my Sublime open on the right side, the text editor, after you guys download it from the first video. Let's go ahead and just navigate through how all of these associated files are going to be worked with. All right, so on here, remember how we added the project to our Sublime? We have just kind of nested directories in this whole project. So we have this directory or this folder under the main file project called IMG. This is where we're going to store all of our images. And the image I have right here, it's just a banner, and the banner is like that main image that we have, and we have like a grid image. This is just kind of something that I just grabbed from the internet. And this is our logo, and our logo, it can be anything, but we're going to learn how to resize images and stuff so it can fit on the navigation. And I've split up the next folder right here. It's called partials, and these are just individual pieces that we're going to be using a lot throughout our website. So if I open one of them, and this can be called the footer, and the footer is going to have, you know, footer code in it. It's just right here. It says copy and paste footer after all content inside all these HTML files. So let me just do a quick little demo real quick. All right, so this one says footer section. I'm just gonna copy this right here, and let me close this folder. Since these are all just small pieces, and these are our full pages right here. It's called the about, contact, gallery, and index. And index is our main homepage. But all these are kind of skeleton files right now, so we can start to play with how we're going to structure everything. But in this container, this div element that we named with the ID container, let's just put the footer in there since we copied it from that partial file. So I'm just gonna go all the way down here, just try to make it clean, and I'm just gonna I'm just gonna paste that in here, that what I just copied. So now this has a footer in there. I like to comment it so you can clearly see what's going on. But then, what's a footer without, some main content or navigation or header? But this is kind of quickly how it works. And these are going to have each of these partial files that we're going to be using these components on. We're going to have some CSS, some Cascade and Style Sheets declarations in there. So if I go back to the footer.html, let's scroll up, see all these right here. These are all declarations I have. And it says copy the styles below and paste in styles.css file. So we'll go over that a little bit later, but this is showing you how everything's kind of broken down. All the components that we're going to use are going to use site banner, navigation, a grid system, gallery grid, the form, and the footer. We're going to use all these little pieces of files and put them into our main pages. These are all main pages. These are only partial pages right here. Hence they're called partials. And then we're just gonna grab, all those like header and stuff. We're gonna put them in each one of these pages. And then we have this styles.css file that's going to contain all of our styles in it. And then I'll go over piece by piece, but this is generally how our structure is for the time being. And then I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks.